getting a bit of a gust. We're going to windward, flying along. Water flashing over the front, which doesn't happen very often. It's steering itself at the moment. Wow! Bit of a gust. We've got the full sails up, so we're getting yeah, we're getting a bit of a lean on. So just I'll have to quieten things down a little bit shortly. We're going to what? Yep. The Admiral has declared we're going too fast, and she is correct. It's getting very gusty, that's the problem. It's calmed down alright a bit now. Not too bad, but before there's more gusting coming in all the time, so I think we might go and have lunch and put a reef in the shortly. Marty's just adding a bit of excitement to the video and declaring that she wants to finish doing her toes.